Superbike champion Toni Elias, and today we are here in Buffalo, New York at the Dunlop manufacturing facility. Toni, what are we going to be doing today?
We'll make a special tire for a special friend.
All right, let's get to it. Right now, Toni is starting stage 1 of the tire building process for a motorcycle tire. This is commonly referred to as the carcass of the tire, and this is where the bead, which is the interliner that delivers air retention to the tire, and the sidewall come together.
Here I am building the tires for the next race for all my rivals. I will make a little hole.
Thank you very much. All right, now I am going to be completing the second stage of the building process, and this is where we apply the Kevlar to help strengthen the tire and the tread. Now the carcass of the tire is placed on this here, which is called a deck, to ensure the correct tire design is delivered. That's cool. All right, so this is the Kevlar application process. Now this part of the tire building process is top secret. Dunlop won't let you see that, but this is where they apply the tread. Let's do it. That completes stage number 2 of building a Dunlop motorcycle tire, and this green tire is ready to go to curing. Now curing is the third and final stage of the tire building process. Let's look at building a tire like baking a cake. All of the ingredients have come together, and now it's time to put it in the oven. So this is the process where the tire is cooked and vulcanization occurs at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Vulcanization is going to give the tire strength and durability. This is where the tire takes the final shape of the mold. It endures up to 300 psi of pressure and takes about 10 to 20 minutes in the mold based on the tire size and style. We're here at the final finishing inspection area. 100% of all Dunlop motorcycle tires end up right here. This is where each and every tire is visually inspected by a trained quality inspector. So what did you think of your first tire building experience? Did you like it?
It was nice, it was amazing. I love it.
I didn't realize how much goes into it. You think they'll let you take that tire and bring it to the track? Maybe you can race on it.
No, that's not a good idea.
No, why not? I think you did a good job.
I mistake when I was cutting the tire. Was not good.
So it's not as easy as it looks.
Better.
Huh? Maybe just stick to racing.
Better cancel it, yes.